Thank you, CB's crew, for supporting our Circle Plus.
Hey, good morning, y'all. Welcome back to our Circle Plus. I thought I would start in and showing you guys what progress I've made. Hey, if you're new, my name is Debbie. My son is Clinton Bridge, short for CB. If you hear any noise in the background, that's him brushing his teeth. Anyway, he's on the spectrum, the autism spectrum, and I just decided to document our life, our journey, as as he gets older. He's an adult. He just turned 31. So anyway, from my last vlog, I think I just kind of quickly showed you guys the process for taping off the walls and everything. And so I was able to complete the task. However, I am seeing some areas where I need to touch up, but for the most part, everything is done and it's looking good. Of course, I need to clean up. I've got paint everywhere. It's not too bad, really, to be honest with you. Um, Clean up the floors, but before I do, I am going to paint the baseboards today. I am extremely sore from getting up and down on the ladder because I'm very short. Um, but as you can see, it actually turned out pretty good. Um, so this is a panoramic view of the chaos as it is right now. I can tell you right now, guys, I am not going to be able to um, paint the entertainment piece that my friend gave me. And I wanted to come on and just kind of talk to you guys too about what's going on with me. My dear friend who gave me this entertainment piece, she's very, very sick. She's my best friend, best friend. And we found out she had cancer early in the year, and not early in the year, last year, right before her birthday. And it's been a struggle. And they've done all they can do. And as many of you probably will know, when something like that happens, it's hard. It's very difficult. And she's been my rock. She's been my sister. She's been my confidant. You know, that's my road hog. That's my ride or die. You name it, she's been it. And so it's just been a real struggle. So, but the one thing she did tell me to do, and I am going to do it, and that is to keep pushing, keep putting out content, stay strong. Those have been her words to me, words of encouragement. Despite of what she's going through, she's still my sister, my confidant. So, you know, you don't come in contact with people like that. I mean, we've been friends since we were 7, guys. I'm not gonna tell you how old I am, but I got a kid that's gonna be 40 this year. I think he's gonna be 40. So you do the math. Long time. Our families are friends. So today, getting on another subject, I am going to, again, clean the floors, do the baseboards this morning, and I'm going to put everything back because I do have to report back to work. I've been off a couple of days. I had to just take a break from everything. And look, guys, I was able to do around the blinds pretty good. There's still some spots that you can see. Um, um, but as soon as I move the blinds, I'll have, I have a quart of paint left to touch up the places. Even behind the mirror here, you can probably see just a little. Yeah, right there. Um, but I'll have some to touch up here and there. But mainly I want to get the baseboards really clean and white and popping. And then get the floors cleaned, put everything back in place. I did order the rug. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a screenshot of what it looks like in here. Okay, y'all, it's a few hours later, and as I stated, I was going to clean the floor, which I did a pretty good job. I got on my hands and knees. I cleaned the baseboards, and so I've sort of just repositioned everything back to the way it's going to be. And so I just pretty much cleaned and kind of, I guess you can call it, waxed the floors in here. So I'm waiting for them to dry, and I'll put my chairs back in here. So I've got to run some errands. Believe it or not, I am going to try and see if I can take CB's shoes, his birthday shoes, guys. Remember, he didn't like the ones that I had taken back. So I actually am going to just put on something real quickly and see if I can swap those out so that he can start wearing his shoes. So, and then I need to go to Ultra to get something. So I'll see if I can film while I'm out. If not, I will be back. Oh yeah, hey y'all, I'm back. I had to run a few errands. Sorry, Brandon. Anyway, I went and I swapped out CB's shoes, so hopefully he'll be able to wear them. Hopefully he'll. Did you put them on? Woohoo! Look at those shoes. Then you can wear them with your black socks and your Puma shirt. Yeah. Are they comfortable? Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool beans. Awesome, CB. You want to put them in here? Okay. Good. Yeah, you've got your Puma shirt. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Sweet. All right. Looks like you're all ready. Hey, y'all. So I just wanted to come in here and I want to share something with you guys. I went out, I'm going to be honest. I was very specific as to what I was going out for. And that was to exchange CB shoes, which I think third time's a charm. Yay! And then secondly, I had to go to Ultra to pick up some skin products. I was able to do that. And then I just happened to mosey on over to At Home. And they had a sale on their pots, their pottery. 50% off. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. I didn't buy anything. I just kept hearing a voice saying, you walk out of here just like you walked in here, and that's empty-handed. And I did. So I need to sit down. I need to do my budget for the month, the new month, and I need to pay bills, and that's what I'm going to do. So anyway, coming in here real quick to close out the vlog. The next time I come back on, I will probably, I'm going to be working on the entertainment center for sure. But putting everything back because I have to go back to work. So happy Memorial Day for everyone, and stay safe. And don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell when we post a video. Thanks, and thanks for your support. Bye.